Hello and welcome to Someka Action Plan template. This template mainly allows you to easily track your actions required to achieve these goals. In the dashboard, you can input your goals into the Goals section. After you input the goal, you will see the navigation button and you can go to the Goals sheet by clicking that. In the Goals section, firstly, you should select the goal status from the drop-down list. Then, you can list your actions and properties required to achieve these goals. Also, you can add risks and opportunities about your goal. Let's give an example. Now, we can go to the goal sheet. Now, we can add our actions. Now, we can select our priority. As you see, our charts and boards were updated according to our actions and goal. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.